Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we are going to do a video for Ondo Finance. You guys can tell it's been a while since I concluded a video, and I wanted to speak to you and show you what I think the market is about to do for this cryptocurrency. So welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'm here to give you all a different viewpoint, perspective of how to look at the market without any confusion. So if you guys want to do that, continue to follow my channel. Make sure you guys keep it locked here. So now, here is our current price prediction right now for Ondo. The idea at that moment back in the beginning of January was for us to look for the price to go up in Ondo. As you guys can tell, initially the price did collapse. It did go lower, and the market ultimately bottomed out right here at this buy pocket around $1.11 to $1.17. This is where the market buyers began buying this cryptocurrency, and they lift the price back into our profit area, which was great. But they was only able to lift it to this first sell pocket. You guys can see that. Okay, so depending on how you look at it, yes, from out the gate, the price prediction price went against our idea. But soon after it came and bounced off this second buy pocket, Ondo came up here to this sell pocket right there on January the 30th. So that would have garnered around what, maybe 10.5% right there. And then that's when price went right back down. So when you can see the price action in Ondo, you might want to say, yeah, the buyers aren't really playing out. They're not playing a game. It's like they're not even on the court trying to dribble the ball up the court. They're still sitting in the stands. They're not attractive at these prices. So just by looking at this on a daily time frame, we have to surmise that Ondo is not a buy. So let's go ahead and clean up this chart just a little bit. We're going to get rid of this buy pocket, this one too. We're going to hold this pocket here because that's the last bottom into the market in Ondo. It looked like the market may try to hit that area again to attract more buying. So keep your eyes on this pocket. Let's take a look at Ondo on the 2 real quick. Okay, so this is the market here, Ondo. This whole area right here, I'm just going to keep it real, is where people did not want to buy. There's more people selling this cryptocurrency than there were people buying. Right there. Okay. That alone should tell you, hey, if we're going to see price in Ondo continue to go higher, we definitely need to see these buyers eliminate these sellers within this pocket right here. Okay. That's where they're at. There's another pocket right there for Ondo. And now let's get back to the 3. Let's look at the market in Ondo on the 3. I really don't like this time frame neither. For a prospect of looking for Ondo to go higher, the market still looks weak here. Here it is on the 4. Same thing. We have a day and 13 hours on this current 4-day bar, but the market still looks bearish. Here it is on the 5. 12 hours. 17 minutes left in Ondo, and we're still seeing the market go down. We're closing on the low of the bar. Once this 5-day bar prints and price is still down here at the very bottom, we have to still suggest that price in Ondo is still weak. This is what happened last week. Okay. Here it is on the 2. Ondo on the 3. Ondo on the 5-weekly chart. Take a look at Ondo on the 5-hour chart. You guys can see that there's still sellers in the market right there. So yeah, I still think the market in Ondo has some weakness to contend with, lower prices to go through, albeit it may not be that low, seeing that we are close to a pocket of buying already. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart, with the expectation that Ondo is going to continue to drift lower, not necessarily crash, but continue to go down. So for us to see price hit this pocket of buying, that's around 14.25% price movement at the low of 93 cents. If price continues to get weak, then the next buy pocket will be our next target, which is around like 26.5 cents there. And let me take this trend line here and move it to see if this market could potentially bounce. So yeah, you guys can see we might even see the market although bounce off that trend line which we just created. So that too will have to be a target. So those are our three targets. First one will be us seeing buyers hold this trend line. That's our first target. If they do, great. If they don't, our next target will be this pocket of buying in between, what's this, 95, 96 cents to 93. If not that, our third target will be at this next pocket of buying. That's it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.